Greetings to all. I hope you are having a great time at home. Enjoying, yes? It's your English period. So, here I am with something new today. Today we are going to learn about nouns and its kinds. Nouns के बारे में हमने पहले पढ़ा है ना. Nouns are naming words. Nouns को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Naming words. Names of person, place, animal or thing. You can see in the table names of person, place, animal, thing, man, place, Paris or city, animal, dog, cat, whale, lion, any animal, thing, book, pencil, apple, flower. These are नेम्स. जो भी नेम होता है, जिस चीज़ का नेम है वो क्या है? नाउन. आपके हैंड में जो आप पकड़े हो, जिससे लिख रहे हो, द थिंग विच वी राइट, पेंसिल, इट्स अ नेम, सो इट्स अ नाउन. यू आर सिटिंग राइट नाउ ऑन अ टेबल और ऑन द बेड और सोफा. सो जिस पे आप बैठे हो, दैट हैज़ अ नेम, इट्स अ नाउन. व्हेन यू ईट विद अ स्पून, or if you're eating noodles, you are eating with a fork. That's a noun. You're going out of your house on a road. Road is a name. It's a noun. You're going in a market. Market is a place. Noun. Your father, mother, siblings, they are nouns. Open your English language notebooks. We'll be writing the definition. Open a new page. Write down date in the date column is 4. Sleeping line 8. Sleeping line 20. Chapter number 3 plus 4 we'll be doing together. The noun and its kinds. Then leave third line and start writing. A noun is the name of a person, comma, place, comma, animal or thing. I told you, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Full stop. Now we can also call them as naming words. So write down. They are also known as naming words. Full stop. Then second bullet, the different kinds of nouns are A. These are the different kinds of noun. Proper noun. One finger gap should be there between the words. Then we have proper noun. Next is common noun. C. Collective noun. D. Material noun. E. Abstract noun. And the last one, possessive noun. This is in chapter number 4, but we have included in this only. Now, turn the page. Again on a new page, write down date. Exercise 1. In the first line, write down exercise 1. Leave one line, then write down, underline the nouns in the following sentences. Full stop. First sentence. Agra and Delhi are famous cities of India. Number 2, I like to drink coffee. Full stop. Number 3, a dentist treats our teeth. Number 4, an architect draws building Building. Plans. Number 5. We saw a lion a peacock, a bear, and an elephant in the zoo. Full stop. Now the exercise says underline the nouns in the following sentences. ये जो सारे sentences हमने लिखे हैं इसमें हमें क्या underline करना है? Nouns. I have told you that nouns are naming words. Nouns क्या होते हैं? Naming words. Names. Yes. Of place, person, animal or thing. So we'll see. Agra and Delhi are famous cities of India. Now Agra is a name. So we'll underline Agra. Then Delhi is a name. It's a name of a city. So we'll underline Delhi. R, ये तो किसी चीज़ का नाम नहीं है. Famous, not a name. Cities, yes, Agra, Delhi, इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Cities. So we'll underline cities. Of, no, ये तो preposition है. India, yes, it's a name of a country. So we will underline this. You have to underline in the fourth line with yellow color. Yellow crayons, not a sketch pen. Number 2. I like to drink coffee. I, name है किसी का? No. Like? No. To? No. Drink? No. Coffee? Yes. Coffee is a name. Then next. A dentist treats our teeth. A, no, article it is. Dentist, yes. Treats, no. Our, no. Teeth, yes, we can see teeth. 4. An architect draws building plans. Architect, yes. A person who designs houses. Draws, no. Building, yes. We have seen building. Plans, no. Number 5. We saw a lion, a peacock, a bear, and an elephant in the zoo. We, no, it's not a noun. Saw, no. Lion, yes, animal's name. Then peacock, yes. Bear, yes. Elephant, yes. Zoo, yes, a place where these animals are kept. So this is your exercise 1. I hope you have understood what are nouns. In the next session, we'll be doing kinds of nouns.